Fractals help us to find the support and resistance level, that is swing highs and swing lows. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trader Chitra. I hope you all watched my previous RSI video. If anybody didn't watch, please watch for a better understanding. And today we are going to see the divergence strategies, which is very powerful. If you understand RSI very well, you can trade like a professional. Means how you can trade like a professional, that is you will get a clear picture like where to buy and where to sell. The RSI you can use it any time frame, like 1 minute time frame, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. If you are a scalper, you can use 1 minute time frame or 3 minutes time frame. Or else if you are an intraday trader, you can always go for 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. Like this RSI will work very well in any time frame, like 1 minute to monthly time frame. And some traders use only RSI for their trading. They will not use any indicators for their trading. If the price is going in uptrend, say for example, the price should go like this in a straight line, right? But price will not move like this. Always price will move like higher highs, then higher lows, then higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. So this is how price will move in an uptrend. So here one swing is formed, another swing here, again one more swing, this is another swing. So I will write for your understanding. So this is the higher high. Again higher high. One more higher high. And higher lows also formed. This is the higher lows. Higher lows. So when price is going up, like price is in the strong uptrend, price will never go like in the straight line. It will form a higher highs, then higher lows, then higher high and higher lows. Like this, price will move continuously up. And same way for the downtrend. The price will not follow like this. Again, the price will move like this. It will fall. Again, it will go up. Lower high and then lower lows, then lower high, lower low and lower highs. So here this is the lower low, then lower high, so it is the lower low. This is what? This is lower high. Again lower low, this is lower high. This is lower low, again lower low. So this is lower lows and this is lower high. So this is how price will move. This is called the Dow theory. Usually price and indicator should move in the same direction. But when price is making higher high and the RSI is making lower low, there the divergence will come into the picture. I will show you here. So this is the price and RSI will have at the down. So RSI will go higher, form higher high. Again it will form higher low. Again the RSI will not able to break the previous high. So it will form, it will go up and again it will break this low like this. So when you connect these swings, higher high swing, like this with the trend line, you will get a picture like this. And when you connect the RSI picture, all the swings are in the down. So the price is going high, but what RSI is forming? Higher lows. Means the price is going in one direction and the RSI is going the other direction. That is, we called it as a divergence. That is called RSI divergence. Now we will see in the charts what are the different types of divergence and how can we trade using the divergence. Now we can see the regular bullish divergence, that is price making lower low and RSI making higher lows. We can see with the example, and also we can see how can we enter into the trade. Now this is the blank chart. I didn't add any indicators. So for this setup we need only one indicator, that is RSI. So we have the RSI now. So you don't want to change anything in the settings. So I am making this RSI line. You can see here RSI. The color I have selected is purple. So I am making that line little bold. And you don't want to change anything here. So the settings is ready now. Now our setup is ready for us to enter into the divergence trade. This is the BankNifty chart, and the time frame I have selected is 5 minutes time frame. And if you see here, the price is falling from the morning. At the same time, the RSI is taking support and RSI is not falling down. At some point of time, what happened? You can see here, RSI is making higher lows, and at the same time, when you see the price is making lower lows. So this is called, we called it as a divergence, that is called bullish divergence. We can see how to trade in the divergence. Risky traders, what they will do, they will enter immediately once the green candle is formed, they will enter above that. But safe traders will enter only at the resistance level. When there is any resistance level is there, when that level is taken away, the safe traders will enter into the trade. If you see here, we have one resistance area here. So I am going to draw one line here. So once this level is taken away, if any green candle is closing above there, we can enter into the long trade. We will see how the trade is going on. Now the RSI also going in the same direction of the price. Now we got the entry for us to enter into the long trade. So here is the place where we will enter into the trade, and you can ask me what is the stop loss. The stop loss will be always the swing low. The stop loss will be always the swing low. As we are using 5 minutes time frame, our stop loss is very minimal, and we will see how the trade is going on. We already entered into the trade, and we can see, we can keep our first target as this. We can keep our first target as this swing high. We will see whether we are getting the target or not. And we can see one more thing here, the RSI and the price also moving in the same direction. So we got our first target, right? So we can always book our profits here. We can see how long the price moved upwards. So whether the price is breaking this resistance level, we can see that. So we got a nice up move. After we enter into this trade, we enter here. So we got nice up move, and we didn't, our stop loss also didn't get hit. So we can see how much points we got here. So we entered here. This is the entry point. So we got around like 250 points. So 250 points in BankNifty in 5 minutes time frame. So 5 minutes time frame we will choose for intraday. So for intraday traders, we got a nice reward. Okay. So and stop loss also very minimal here. So with the stop loss of 60 points, we got the target of 250 points in BankNifty. That is 1:4. We can see one more example for the bullish divergence. This is the Nifty daily time frame chart. Here you can see the price is making lower low and RSI is making the higher lows. So we can see how the trade is going on now. So if you enter into the daily time frame chart, your reward is way more. So after that, price was moving in continuous uptrend. So you can choose any time frame according to which type of trader you are. So if you choose 5 minutes, it's for intraday. Before example I have shown is the 5 minutes. So you got nice reward. See, you entered here and the price was in continuous uptrend. And RSI also going along with the price. Right? So the next is what? Regular bearish divergence. Means price is making higher high and the RSI is making lower high. So this is a Nifty 5 minutes time frame. So I am connecting the swing highs now. So this is the swing highs. Price is making higher high and the RSI is making the lower high. Now we will see how the price is going, whether it is going upwards or whether it is coming down. So we first, before I told you how to enter into the trade when the resistance level is taken away. So I can see here price has taken multiple times support here. So this will act as the resistance zone for our entry. So we have to enter into the trade once this level is taken away for your short trade. I have added one more indicator, fractals. Fractals help us to find the support and resistance level, that is swing highs and swing lows. The major swing high here is with the level which marked in green is the swing high and the level which marked in red is the swing lows. So here once this level is taken away, you can always enter into the short trade. This is just for reference I have shown you, but I am not going to explain you about the fractals. For that I will put you one separate video. So you can enter into the short trade below this. So we will see how the trade is going on. We can keep our first target here because here we can see one support is there. So here we got our entry for the short trade. Here is the entry. Okay. Now we'll see whether we got our target or not. The price and the RSI also moving in the same direction. You can see here RSI and the price is moving in same direction. So always the stop loss will be the swing high. So we got our first target. Okay. So still the market is falling. So once we enter into the trade, we got nice reward in 5 minutes time frame. We can see example for the hidden bullish divergence, means price making higher lows and RSI is making lower lows. So the chart I have taken is the State Bank of India and it is a daily time frame chart. So here I am connecting the swings from here to here, means this is the higher lows, and we will connect the RSI also. RSI is making lower low. Now we have to enter when the resistance level is broken. When any green candle is closing above that level, we can enter into the long trade. So here we have the fractals. So here we can the recent that is the swing. Here I can see one swing here, this area. This is one of the swing. So once this level is broken, we can enter into the long trade. So we will see now how the trade is going on. So we got an entry above this green candle. So we are entering above this green candle. So we are into the trade now. So we can keep our target here at the high of the swing. Here. So our target got achieved. Okay. So this is how we need to identify the bullish divergence, that is hidden bullish divergence. Next we can see the hidden bearish divergence, means price making lower high and RSI is making higher high. That is, price is showing weakness and at the same time RSI is showing strength. So here I have taken Nifty 15 minutes chart. So I'm going to draw with the help of trend line connecting both the swing highs. So here we can see that price is making lower high and the RSI is making higher high. So if you want to enter into the trade, you can on the fractals. So here we can see one swing low is there. So once this low is taken away, if any candle is closing below this candle, below this horizontal ray, you can enter into the short trade. Now we can see how the trade is going on. So we have entered into the trade below this red candle. Okay. The RSI and the price also moving in the same direction. See, RSI also coming down and price also falling down. We got nice move downwards after we enter into the trade. So I hope you understood how you can enter into the trade if you get a bearish divergence. Okay, first you have to connect the swing highs or swing lows accordingly, and after that you have to check the RSI also, and you have to see whether there is any support or resistance level nearby. If you are not able to find the support resistance level, you can always use fractals. It's not mandatory. If you are able to find the resistance level without that, you can draw with the draw by yourself, and you can connect the swing highs and swing lows. Once that swing high or swing low is taken away, you can enter into the trade. Now we can see what is the target and how many points we got in the particular short trade. So till here Nifty has fallen, so I'm keeping there. So the target we got is like 372 points in 15 minutes time frame in the Nifty chart, which is not bad, right? In index, if we are getting these many points, so it's a good trade. Next one, we can see the extended bullish divergence, means price is making flat and RSI is making higher lows. Here we can see that price is making flat and RSI is making higher lows. So you can always enter into the trade above this level, because here we can see one resistance level is there. So once this level is taken away, you can enter into the long trade. So above this green candle, we got the entry. Okay. Now we can see how our trade is going on. So now the RSI and price also going in the same direction. That is, like there is no divergence, we can see both the price and RSI is in the same direction. So once the price started moving according to our favor, we can always trail our profits. Okay. So that is the best way to trade. As here you can see here the level, this is the resistance level. So the price came here and touched the resistance zone, and after that started moving up. This level acts as a support level too. So this is how we need to enter into a divergence trade. So after we enter into the trade, we got nice up move. Okay. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.